Hello everyone, my name is Petar. I am a software engineer and co-founder of the German-based startup Ostellus. Today I have the honor to present to you our software platform, which provides a framework for browsing and visualizing and even teaching in the context of human history. We initiated our project 3 years ago, with the ambition to implement a geographic information system, GIS, which contains the spatial representation of historical countries and territories, their borders, cities, or other locations. Our motivation is to provide a technology which enables everyone to browse through history in an intuitive but also systematic manner, and therefore help with the cultural, political, and socio-economic education in our society. Historical GIS projects have existed for years. Therefore, we set ourselves the goal to create a platform which combines the advantages of those projects into a single one, but also learning from their drawbacks. There are several key benefits of this solution. First of all, it is scalable. It means there are no limits to the amount of spatial data which can be stored or visualized. At the same time, it remains available to use worldwide and can keep a high performance. Lastly, it is very flexible and can be tailored and customized based on specific needs. We have developed a data model for combining geospatial, temporal, audiovisual, numerical, textual representations of historical information. This provides the basis for a number of applications, some of which I would like to demonstrate to you today. The Ostellus Interactive Atlas is available to anyone globally at www.ostellus.com. It visualizes the world history in a simple and expressive way by enriching maps with the dimension of time. Searching for a historical event can take you back in the past, for example, during World War II. You can now see the political map of Europe back in the summer of 1944. The countries and occupations are displayed in a way which reflects the state of the continent during the time. Political, economic, or military unions can also be visualized according to the selected date. One of the essential functionalities of the Ostellus Atlas can be witnessed by dragging the timeline control. Watch how moving forward in time makes the borders change almost instantly. Thanks to the technical framework behind it, the Ostellus Atlas is not only highly performant, but also scalable enough to show historical data with as much detail as a single day change. Cities and battles, such as the Battle of Berlin, are also displayed on the map. The timeline is also interactive and lets you explore different historical events like the Yalta Conference. Further information, such as participant countries or external images, can be also viewed in the information panel on the right-hand side. Now, let's use the date control and go forward in time, in the midst of the Cold War during the 1960s. The map allows users to select countries and territories and find out more details about them, such as their predecessors or successors. Let's click on present-day Germany as the successor of the German Democratic Republic. The timeline is now back in 2021. We can not only see a list of the federative states of Germany in the information panel, but we can also make their borders appear on the map. The Ostellus Atlas provides easy access to a variety of external sources of information. One of them is Wikipedia. Other external literature include Encyclopedia Britannica and academic articles from Science Direct. Ostellus currently contains historical information about the 20th and 21st centuries, with parts of the 1800s as well. We continue to add new content on a regular basis, expanding the available information and adding prior historical periods. This demo presented the potential of Ostellus and its ability to visualize history in one place. The Ostellus system sits at the core of the architecture. It is our central component, and we sometimes refer to it as the engine which defines our spatial data, keeps it organized and secure, and can expand almost infinitely to contain as much data as it is provided with. On top of the system, we built the Ostellus browser. Now this part of the platform is responsible for the visualization of the collected data in a simple yet expressive way. Everything from the maps, countries, territories, places and unions, to images, links to external resources, and events in the timeline. But the question is, how do we apply these two capabilities in a real-world scenario? Well, you've already witnessed one approach, and it is the Ostellus History Atlas. We have prepared one more demo for you of the second application, which we recently launched. It is called Ostellus Schule, a digital learning platform which is also built on the solid foundations of the Ostellus browser. This is one of the public teaching modules on the platform, where students are asked a variety of different questions on the topic of the Cold War. Observe how the two unions, NATO and the Warsaw Pact, are highlighted with a different color in the context of the current multiple choice task. Select the countries assignments are an essential part of Ostellus Schule. They allow students to directly interact with the map by marking the correct territories. For other exercise types, such as fill in the blanks, the browser could be used to provide hints in the form of free text, images, or links to external resources. In addition to diverse student assessment modules, teachers could also design and lead interactive lectures and presentations via the Ostellus Schule information slides. The following slides provide an overview of the Tet Offensive during the Vietnam War. According to the map legend, the cross and circle symbols indicate key battles and cities, whereas the arrows illustrate major Viet Cong and North Vietnam Army offensives. Any slide could be based on a different date. thus reflecting the territorial changes which occurred. Ostellus Schule provides all the tools to create similar presentation and exercise modules to the one you just witnessed. They were designed to be simple and convenient for teachers, allowing them to focus entirely on the structure and content of their presentation or assessment. The editor enables users to select images, change the date, map coordinates or zoom level, or simply edit the question formulation and add possible answers, either right or wrong. Countries and territories can be highlighted on the map by simply clicking on them and picking a color. Free text hints, external links, and images can also be added as an information pop-up window once students click on the map entity during the exercise. Modules that are created and shared on Ostellus Schule are under the Creative Commons license. The integration with H5P, an open source collaboration framework to create, share, and reuse dynamic HTML5 content, further exploits the potential to build a creative community. The scalability of the platform allows multiple language support, with German and English available as of now. The virtual classroom functionality in Ostellus Schule allows teachers to provide their materials to students in an easy manner. Once a classroom is created for a module, it is assigned a unique link. This link can then be copied and shared across. The recipients can paste it into their browser and will be able to access the module without having to log into Ostellus Schule. In brief, Ostellus Schule is a digital learning platform with a focus on history and social science subjects. Teachers can use it as a tool to enhance their lessons, create exercises, and share interactive resources with their students. The technology behind it is a combination of the Ostellus browser and an open source collaboration framework, H5P. We truly believe in the benefits of sharing work with others. That's why all modules on Ostellus Schule can be freely reused and adapted by anyone and fall under the Creative Commons license. Last but not least, multiple language scalability plays a key role in Ostellus Schule. We have covered two applications that we're currently working on: the Ostellus Historical Atlas and Ostellus Schule. We would like to show you a couple of designs on another opportunity that we plan to develop in the near future: embedding Ostellus's visual components into third-party websites and software. For the sake of this presentation, we have created the concept designs based on Europeana and the Historiana websites. However, please note that this does not imply that we're currently working with the Europeana or Historiana teams on such a project. The first concept is an enhancement of websites and applications like Historiana. The integration of the Ostellus map would make the interaction of visual components like timelines more dynamic. In the following example, when the user highlights an event on the timeline, the map's view is updated to reflect the event and depict it from the spatial perspective. This feature offers a big advantage with regards to the reader's spatial orientation. It can be particularly important in history class, where the student's competence in spatial and temporal orientation is yet to be developed. In our second example, we introduce a concept that we call historical geotagging. We see an opportunity to be able to display the historical location of resources as part of their historical context. Many Europeana resources are already geotagged, and users can see the location of their origin. Here is a pencil drawing of the Czech city of Pilsen in 1894. While the city is located in today's Czech Republic, back in 1894 it was within the boundaries of Austria-Hungary. This is a fact which is essential for its culture and appearance. So we can already see a big advantage in showing the source of this drawing in a historical map. In other words, the benefit that Ostellus offers is the very fast and easy integration of our map. It is sufficient for the content creator to add the map to the article and choose its displayed date and location. We're a small team, but we have considerable knowledge and expertise in software development and product management. And we also share a genuine passion for history. There is a massive opportunity for our platform to play a key role in digital society. There's so many benefits of digital transformation in the education sector, which are complemented by the Ostellus platform. All students can have access to learning resources in an easier and less expensive way. Thanks to the digital transformation, students can check out only one device, a smartphone, tablet, or a laptop, to access many different materials at school or at home, regardless of their economic status and physical location. By breaking geographical and cultural boundaries, students from around the globe can attend, collaborate, and contribute to lessons, creating global conversations through many different points of view on the same topic, and the result is a truly diverse educational experience. One of the most powerful and positive impacts on education, provided by the digital transformation in schools, is the possibility to build learning modules not just in a faster, but also in a more engaging way. Via Ostellus Schule, we have already shown you how educators can prepare their courses and programs easily, potentially also by reusing previously created content by their colleagues. The interactivity of these digital resources will be essential to make sure students remain involved in their studies. There is another benefit for the world's youth. Ostellus can own their digital skills. As students continue to learn and study in an online world, they will become more confident and highly productive using interactive online tools such as tests, drop boxes for homework, collaboration tools, email communications to faculty and fellow classmates, or even video presentations. These skills are very likely to remain valuable for students even after graduation. Last but not least, we believe that Ostellus can help the education sector to become more resilient in future, especially during crises such as the global pandemic in 2020. We believe that Ostellus can innovate the teaching process by making digital history more accessible and more interactive than ever. We believe that there is a bright future for history. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us with any questions on social media or via email.